flavor is superb. Wow, look at that. It has got this awesome texture, color. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making Matar Paneer. In the previous version we have seen restaurant style making of this Matar Paneer masala. Today we are making this home style easy way of cooking this Matar Paneer. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. So here's what you need for this recipe. We need 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, 250 grams of paneer cut into small cubes, half cup of green peas, so here I am using this frozen one, ginger, garlic and green chili paste. So in this I have added about an inch piece of ginger, 4 to 5 pods of garlic along with 2 green chilies. Just put that everything together into a blender jar and blitz to make this into a coarse paste. Salt to taste, a teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. So to begin with, I'm going to shallow fry this paneer first. So here I have preheated 3 tablespoons of mustard oil into a pan. Now this mustard oil gives that authentic taste to this dish. So I'm going to shallow fry all these paneer cubes. If you want, you can also go ahead and deep fry this paneer. We are going to fry until it gets nice golden color from all the sides. Now if you do not want to make use of mustard oil, use any other oil of your choice, but for this recipe I would strongly suggest to make use of this mustard oil. It gives that awesome taste and flavor in this dish. Perfect. Now here this paneer has been fried really well and it has got that awesome nice golden color. Now let's remove this onto a separate dish lined up with some tissue paper. Shake off excess oil. Perfect. And after paneer is fried, our next step is to add tempering. So I forgot to mention about these whole spices. So along with the ingredients that I mentioned earlier, we also need half teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds. Let them splutter. We need few bay leaves and 3 to 4 cloves and black pepper. Give that a mix. And now in this goes in finely chopped onion. Mix that in and cook this for 4 to 5 minutes or until onion gets nice and caramelized and gets deep golden color. And here I have cooked these onions over medium heat for nearly 7 to 8 minutes now, and you can see this onion has got this nice light golden color. That is even nice golden color, and the onions have almost melted with this oil. Now this is the perfect time to add in ginger, garlic and green chili paste in this, and also goes in turmeric powder. Give that a mix and cook this for just about a minute. It already smells so good. Now in this goes in finely chopped tomatoes. Give that a mix and cook this for another 4 to 5 minutes until this tomatoes turns nice and soft and gets completely mashed in with onion. Alright, so here these tomatoes are well combined and mashed up with onions. Now let's go ahead and add in dry masala, that is red chili powder and garam masala. Mix that in and cook this for 2 more minutes. And so after about 2 minutes of cooking, our basic masala is ready. Now let's go ahead and add in some water. Just enough to make this into a gravy. Awesome. add in salt. Then goes in some green peas, that is matar. Now if you are using fresh peas here, then you have to add peas in the gravy and let that cook in the gravy or simmer in the gravy for 8 to 10 minutes. And once these peas are cooked completely, then go ahead and add in fried paneer. But since I am using frozen peas here, they are already cooked, so we don't need extra cooking time. I am adding peas and paneer at the same time. Mix that in. Now let's cover this up and let this simmer over medium heat for another 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, so here Matar Paneer is simmered on medium heat for about 7 to 8 minutes now. Let's check that out. Its flavor is superb. Wow, look at that. It has got this awesome texture, color. Lovely. Let's plate this up. You can have this Matar Paneer with some fulka, chapati or roti on the side. It is so simple yet very flavorful and rich dish. Do give this a try. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.